Hi everyone, welcome to the video of this rather special Defender. It is a 2015 110 station wagon. However, there are lots and lots of bits on this one that make it, I would say, a one-off. So first of all, you've probably seen is the bowler wheels. So this has got a full bowler stage 2 conversion on it, which means it's got the remap, the intercooler, the wheels, the big brakes, the suspension, and the full exhaust system. However, it doesn't stop there. The owner of this vehicle used to live in London. Lived in London, and when they bought in the ULEZ congestion charge type thing, I think it's just called the ULEZ actually, he had a AdBlue kit fitted to it, which you can just see under there. And now that AdBlue kit means that this engine now runs and meets Euro 6 regulation. So this vehicle not only is a 2015 Defender with a full bowler stage 2 kit on it, it is also ULEZ compliant. So you don't need to pay that fee in central London. And I'm unsure whether that means it works in the Manchester low emission zone and the Bath one, for instance, but I will have a look. It is Euro 6 compliant. It is fully approved, etc., etc. So it's not some dodgy kit that's being fitted. It's absolutely incredible. It drives beautifully and is in superb condition. Let's have a quick look at the front here. So it's all black. The grills were painted at the factory in gloss black. It's got the lower grille has been changed here to gloss black as well to match. Everything behind the grille here has been painted to make it look really, really smart. It's got black checker plate from the factory. It's got snorkel from the factory. Here you can see the bowler 18-inch wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tyres, and behind the wheel you can see the brakes. So it stops on a dime. Really, really does. Stainless steel bolts all round. There's the AdBlue tank down there, which you fill from under the bonnet, and it's got a little gauge there that gives you a reading to tell you the range you've got. So I filled it up the other day, and I think it had about 1,000 miles range. I've done a few hundred miles in it. Obviously it's dropped, but yeah, we will supply it with a full tank of AdBlue as well. We've done all our usual bits and bobs on it. So the rear cross member, as you can see, is utterly immaculate. All the bolts have been changed. It's got a spare wheel carrier. Mud flaps are all good. It's in lovely, lovely nick. We're changing these rather annoying drive chassis. They're a bit rusty there, so they'll be brand new and looking all shiny. The chassis hasn't been treated yet, but I thought I'd show you the chassis in its current nick. That is the label from the factory. So a few tiny spots, mainly they're sort of grease spots to be brutally honest, but other than that the chassis is absolutely incredible. Now another thing you may have glimpsed when I was showing you the AdBlue gauge is this has full premium leather. So it's got the really comfortable seats. They're heated. I can't tell you the difference these seats are compared to the standard ones. Much more bolstering on the sides here, and it's got this sort of one-piece headrest. Really, really smart. Being a 2015, it's got the Alcantara black suede headlining and the Land Rover sunroof there, which from what I can see doesn't leak. It's also got this rather special camera here. See if I can turn it on. So that is a that is a normal rear view mirror, but as you can see there, as it just comes on, you can see it is also a reversing camera and a forward facing camera. You can have forward facing camera and full reversing camera. Fantastic piece of kit. A few other little bits and bobs. There's some extra outputs here for charging, etc. It's got the official bowler stamp there, so it's the L21 this one was, so I'm assuming that was the 21st bowler stage 2. It's got the standard Alpine head unit from the factory with Bluetooth and the Alpine sub down here. Rear seats are also in lovely, lovely condition, and this one also comes with a Land Rover fridge that sits on this middle seat here. Really nice little addition, and it just looks really, really smart. Forgive the wobbly camera, I'm just trying to show you the rear seats there. Again, full leather throughout. Just really lifts the whole interior of these cars, that leather. I love it. It's so nice, and also nice and easy to keep clean. So all the seat backs are good. Really, really smart. Really smart indeed. I can't get across on the video how well this thing drives, but with the stage 2 map, and I think the Bowler map is one of the best maps I've ever driven. It's really, really smooth. I don't know how much horsepower it's got. I don't like guessing. I think it might be 180 to 190, but it's so smooth. It absolutely purrs along. And with the uprated suspension and the bigger wheels and the bigger brakes, it handles and it stops just beautifully. It's a really special piece of kit. And being ULEZ compliant, I mean, gosh, find another one. Machined alley window blocks we have fitted as well. Just all little bits like that. There's hundreds of little bits we've done on this just to make it perfect. And it really is a fantastic bit of kit. Please give us a call. It's generating a lot of interest already, and I haven't even made the video yet, so it may well have sold by the time you've seen this. But give us a call. Come and have a drive. Cheers.